going to look at some basic 3D primitives. So I'm going to open the file extrude 9. The light's there just to give us some shading when we shade the objects. If we look at the extruded rectangle tool, there's a whole lot of primitive shapes here. So we can go click. Next one is the height. So if you hit the tab key, you can type in a height that you want to fix your object to. Let's do that again. Click. What height do we want? Now if I turn this arrow, you can see we have different heights. Make it 2 meters high. That's fixed the height. So the K is the height. Then we can go tab and we can type in a start distance. And these are not relative coordinates, these are absolute coordinates. So minus 500, that's minus 500 from the start point, minus 500 again. So there's 0, 0, so it's down 500 and across 500. And that puts your rectangle in for you. So that's a rotated rectangle. If I render that in Final Quality RenderWorks, you can see that's shaded because there's my light. Back to wireframe. You can also, when you place these primitives, you can also lift that up. So if I make that 500, you can see now that my box is going to be up in the air 500. So it's come along and then up 500. Kind of a neat trick you can do. So other primitive shapes, things like the extruded polygon. So I've set the height now, and you can use your smart cursor because you can see I'm getting horizontal and vertical alignment points. Back to where I started. So it's created a mesh. The circle, sorry, the cylinder. If I come out here, you can see I'm aligned. Click. How high do you want it? Click. It makes it into an extrusion. So if you double click on that to edit it, it takes you back to your original shape to edit it. You can stretch it. Click on the done button. So it becomes an extrude, follows all the rules of an extrusion. And so there's a whole range of these. There's a sphere tool, and you can do this by diameter. So click on that side, click on that side, put a little sphere in there. There's a hemisphere tool. There's a cone. The first click center is the center of the cone. The second click is the size of the cone, and the third click is the height of it. So if you want it shallow, you click there. If you want it higher, and once you've made it, you should find that you can double click on it and you can pull it up, or you can stretch it wider.